I'm Pooja, a senior product designer at Squarespace. Today, I'm going to show you how you can manage your business on the go with the Squarespace app. Whether you sell products, offer services, or both, your business doesn't stop when you step away from your desk, and neither should the ability to stay connected. With the Squarespace app, you can check in, take payments, and manage key tasks from wherever you are, giving you the flexibility to stay in control on the go. Let's take a look at how that works. First, staying connected to your business in real time. With the Squarespace app, you'll receive notifications when you make a sale. You can review orders, see customer details, and even purchase and print shipping labels right from your phone. Your home dashboard gives you a snapshot of sales and traffic, so you're always up to date on how your business is performing, whether you're in the studio, commuting, or grabbing a coffee. Next, let's talk about getting paid. One of the most powerful things you can do in the app is create and send invoices. Invoicing is fully built in, so you don't need a separate tool. You can generate professional branded invoices in minutes, send them out on the spot, and track a payment status in real time. Working with the same client regularly, you can schedule invoices to go out automatically, weekly, monthly, or on whatever timeline works best. And because everything connects to Squarespace payments, your clients have flexible, secure ways to pay. Invoicing isn't the only way to accept payments. If you need something even faster, you can create a pay link directly in the app. A pay link is a single, shareable link that lets customers pay a requested or flexible amount. You can drop it into a text, social media DM, email, or even display it as a QR code at an event. It's one of the quickest and most flexible ways to get paid for just about anything, without needing to set up a full product or service listing. And if you're selling in person, the Squarespace app has you covered there too. With Tap to Pay, you can accept contactless payments, including credit cards, debit cards, Apple Pay, and digital wallets, using only your phone and the Squarespace app. There's no extra hardware required. It's secure, private, and perfect for markets, pop-ups, or client meetings. With the Squarespace app, you don't need to wait until you're back at your desk to keep things moving. You can stay connected with real-time sales and order updates, send and schedule professional invoices, create pay links, making it easier to get paid, and accept payments instantly with Tap to Pay on iPhone. All of this is built directly into the app, so you can manage your business wherever you are. Running a business takes dedication, but with the right tools in your pocket, you can feel confident that you're always in control. Open the Squarespace app today and start sending an invoice, sharing a pay link, or taking a payment on the go. And remember, you've got this.